गटर सुद्धा सारखी साफ करू ना म्हणतात. So what you would like to say on this?
So CCP has done its work. Now last year also you will have noticed it flooded for half an hour in the first day and nothing happened after that. This is not like the regular thing. The water stayed here for more than an hour. Corporation has done its job. Now look at every other area also now has been flooded. The areas that didn't flood have flooded also now. The Masjid Road was flooded. Any area that Smart City has done its work now is flooded. Now basically we had a meeting with the CS and with Smart City MD yesterday regarding the same issue. Now we have been raising this issue for now the past month, asking them to get work done. 2 weeks ago we had done a second inspection and we had asked them to get started work. That work also has not commenced. Certain works they have started. Hindu pharmacy they started, but the connection was not done. Now in every single area also now the same thing has not been done. They've taped the road, they've hotmixed the road, but the main drain connections only they've not cleaned and they've not done. Now that is an issue. Now on Monday also I've asked CS to keep another meeting with traffic, with Smart City and everything. Now if this can happen in the first day also, we don't want this to happen again. Now we've addressed, we've taken videos of all of the points, we've spoken to Smart City, and we have to work now together to get it resolved. There is no other way going forward.
पणजेकर आता खूप बेजार झालं की त्या स्मार्ट सिटीन अर्धे काम केल्लें आसा. सो अर्धे काम करून
So imagine our plight also now. We have to listen to everybody also now. No, for no fault of the corporation. See, now again we have to start cleaning the full area again. Whatever drains now that we had cleaned earlier, all the mud from all of the projects has gone back into our drains. Now obviously the shopkeepers are irritated. Even we are also irritated now. If you notice, where can you see anybody from Smart City over here? MD is not present also. We called his engineers. His engineers have come. Apart from that, not a single contractor is here. Not a single thing is there now. You can imagine how much they care about it. You can imagine how much they care now also. No? Now you only see municipality people over here who are working. Now the cities are, we also have to take responsibility for what is thing. But the Smart City also, they need to complete all of their projects and whatever flood points they have to clear it. There is no other option now. This cannot happen going forward.